How are you guys? Welcome back. So what have we done today? We thought we'd start with the easiest thing on the actual engine, which is to take off the exhaust manifold. So we'll point to it right here. And this is one of the gaskets that we were talking about. This is called the exhaust manifold gasket. So we were taking these out, and the way this connects to the engine is you have studs. And these studs are located right here, which these are probably the only two intact out of the whole assembly. So here's the deal. You're probably wondering, why is there only two here? Well, there's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can tell, all of the exhaust manifold studs inside are broken. And this wasn't our doing, it was actually just like that. So the part that we thought was going to be the easiest is now turning out to be a really tough thing that we're going to have to do. We're essentially going to have to take this tool right here. It's called a center punch. We're going to have to line it up in the middle, poke a hole in it basically, and then use our left-handed drill bits to go ahead and try to extract these studs out. It's a very painful process. It takes hours on end. We're going to have to use a lot of cutting oil, which we have over there anyway. And we're going to have to start with the smallest bit because you can't start with anything big. And slowly align it where the hole in the middle just starts to get bigger until one of these, and what the hope is that one of these left-handed drill bits will actually extract it while we're cutting into the stud.
It'll basically clamp onto it in the middle and it'll just extract it.
Yep. So that's the hope. If that doesn't happen, we're basically going to have to make this metal. Just shave it all down until it reaches the thread, which I don't want to do, because then we have a chance of damaging the internal threads on the engine block. I don't know if you guys could see that, but try to see if you could zoom in just to show them the internal threads. So yep, those threads right there, that's the ones that we don't want to damage while doing this process. So this can take pretty much several hours just to get, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them out. And then because we're doing that, we're probably going to take these studs out as well and replace the studs. So yippee, another added cost, more time. But hopefully you guys will learn a little bit here. We'll try to document some of that. We didn't, really want to document us taking off the exhaust manifold because simply it was just taking off the bolts from these holes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we wanted to start with that because we thought it would be the easiest. But unfortunately, like everything with this car, it's been tough. So until we actually get the stuff set up, peace.
Peace out.